Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Aviva Zero car insurance review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you've been shopping around on UK comparison sites and notice Aviva Zero popping up with an incredibly cheap code here, well, here is the real deal on what you are actually looking at. Now, it is basically Aviva's stripped down eco-friendly digital branch. Now, they keep the price rock bottom here by cutting out traditional call centers, and they throw in carbon offsetting by covering your first 1,000 miles of driving for free, which is a really cool touch here. Because it is backed by massive giants like Aviva, you still get their solid underlying claims network on an uninsured driver promise and a lifetime guarantee on any repairs done through their approved shops. But since we're talking about a budget here, no frills policy, there are a few big catches that you need to know about it. Now, the absolute biggest one is that support is completely online only. So if you prefer calling a real human on the phone to tweak your policy or ask an administrative question, this will definitely frustrate you. Now, phone lines are strictly locked down for emergency claims, so any basic updates have to go through live chat or email. Now, another sneaky thing that trips people up is their garage policy. So if you get into an accident here and insist on using your own manufacturer approved garage instead of Aviva approved one, they can tack on a painful extra excess onto your bill, sometimes up to £500. So you will lose out on a courtesy car. Also, it is strictly gated for drivers between 21 and 80 years old, so younger drivers are locked out entirely. Now, ultimately here, if you are comfortable managing your life through an app, want a great price for a trusted name, and like the eco-friendly perk here, well, Aviva Zero is totally worth it. Just treat it like a digital only tool. Be prepared for potential price hikes at renewal here, and it is a solid win for your budget. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.